Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to basic edit in CapCut. Here are the steps to do this. First is to open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap New Project or New Video on the main screen. Choose the video clips or photos you want to edit from your gallery. Tap Add at the bottom to import them into the timeline. To trim a clip, tap on it in the timeline. Drag the edges to shorten it. To split a clip, position the white playhead line where you want to cut. Then tap Split. Now, to delete unwanted parts, select a portion and tap the delete icon. Tap Audio to add background music, sound effects, or voiceovers. Now, tap on the back arrow. Tap Text. Add text to add templates. Change fonts. Choose the style, effects, and animations. Now go back. Tap Stickers or Effects to add visual enhancements to your video. Use the filters or adjust tools to improve color, brightness, or contrast. Tap Aspect Ratio to adjust the video's background size or blur. Preview your video by pressing the play button to check the edits. When you're done, tap the export button at the top right corner to save your edited video to your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.